SPCA from Houston, Texas, called me and said, we have brown bear. We have now sanctuaries for brown bears. We found him on a ship, on an illegal circus on a ship.
I've never heard about that before. Oh my!
It's the story of Betty of Texas, and they said, we know that you have the best sanctuary because in 2016 the National Geographic elected the sanctuary the most ethical sanctuary in the world, and they said, we want for Betty a better life, so they brought Betty from Houston by plane till Frankfurt, and from Frankfurt she arrived from by car. And she lived in our sanctuary for 16 years. She died last month, but at least she died free, without bars on her head, listening the wind and the birds, and she had a decent last year's life.